Javanese Architectural Style House. Welcome to our virtual tour of a Javanese architectural style house. Step into the enchanting world of traditional Javanese design with our in-depth exploration of this exquisite house. Immerse yourself in the elegance of intricately carved wooden panels and ornate details that define Javanese architecture. From the graceful joglo roofs that curve gently upwards to the meticulously adorned pendopo pavilion, every element tells a story of cultural richness and artistic finesse. The lush garden surrounding the house is a testament to Javanese appreciation for nature. Discover the harmonious blend of indoor and outdoor spaces, where the boundary between human habitation and the natural world blurs. From the iconic joglo roofs that gracefully adorn the structure to the ornate wooden carvings that tell stories of tradition, every corner of this house exudes the essence of Javanese design. Nestled within a serene garden, the house seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor spaces, echoing the harmony between human habitation and nature that's central to Javanese culture. From the moment you enter, you'll be greeted by the iconic joglo roofs that gracefully define Javanese design. As you wander through the pavilions adorned with richly detailed patterns, you'll feel the fusion of history and artistry coming to life around you. The house is nestled within a lush garden, embodying the deep connection between Javanese architecture and nature. The seamless integration of indoor and outdoor spaces evokes a sense of serenity and balance that's characteristic of this style. Join us as we journey through the spacious chambers, adorned with batik patterns and antique furnishings that reflect the heritage of the region. Our expert guide will lead you through the history and significance of each architectural element, shedding light on the deep-rooted traditions that continue to influence Javanese design to this day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our explorations of captivating architectural wonders from around the world. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast, a history buff, or simply someone who appreciates beauty, our channel is your gateway to the marvels of human creativity. Thank you for embarking on this journey with us.